Today we will introduce you our hot sale 2023 gift set candles. As you can see, this is a 2-set gift candles, and we have a gift box for it. You see it is very lighter color green, and this is very cute. There are many style scented candles. It was a very good fragrance, and we can make your logo on the candle front side, and you can also make the fragrance for your customization. And this is a 2-set gift set candles, and here is a set of 3. This one is bigger than this one, and you can see this is a 3 pieces set, and this is the same design as this one. You can choose any one for your interest in. This is the same size as this two-piece set. This is very lighter color, and it's very popular in our 2023 sales. It's just like the green lighter color. If you are interested in these candles, welcome to contact us for more information.